Yeah. All right. I don't know what the fuck that was about. I don't know. I guess we shouldn't have uttered his name. I shouldn't have said it. That's what happens. They have a little algorithm that listens, and then they strike your stream down. Oh, wait. Oh, no. I'm blaming uttering the name. I said the name, too, you know. What the hell? This better not be down. It acts like it is, but I think it's just resetting. Because it's fooled me before. Let me check the thing. Yeah, the thing is there. Yeah, I know. That's the worst, is then because then I lose someone explained it to me once. I lose the server that I'm on, or the codec or whatever, and so I don't, like, there's no, or it's stuck. I don't know. It's fucking irritating. And I don't know if it's my computer or what. Because I've really eliminated a lot of things it could be. And unfortunately, I'm unable to run OBS on this machine. Unless I can figure out a way to get it to work with my video card drivers, which I kind of worked on that, and I got so frustrated I had to walk away. But I guess maybe... because it hasn't happened in a long time, so I thought maybe this problem has gone away. It hasn't. It's still there. Yeah, the transcode, that's what I'm trying to think of. Oh no, it happened again? I hope not. It doesn't look like it. As far as I can tell, I'm still good. Oh. Nope. Yeah, I think I'm okay. Well, I'm really sorry, guys, that happened. I'm gonna fire my IT guy, I think is what I'm gonna have to do. But the problem is, I'm gonna have to hire one for less pay. Because I gotta pull money. Anyways, nah, it's a dumb joke. Yeah, I know, but I hate it when it drops because it just fucks everything up. I thought it wasn't that big of a deal. It was just like, you know, you look like a chump. But it fucks so much shit up, and it's so annoying, so... Oh, that's where that nail went. Alright. Well, the good news is I kind of arrived at a possible solution. So, I'm pretty confident that... here, let me get some tweezers so I can... So this is R51, and I do get signal from it, but it does not connect here. So I don't know if it's not making contact with the pad on the board. I've tried to reflow the solder. It didn't seem to work, so I'd like to just run a little wire between the 2 points to see what if it works then. Otherwise, there might be something wrong with my Tempco, which I really... But it's weird. It doesn't even say that it makes it to these parallel points for the Tempco. So I think it's... I don't think it's working. I don't think it made it to the pad. So wire, you here? Why are you there? Why are you a wire? Here's one. Oh no. I gotta fix this. My monitor keeps flipping out over here. I thought it was this weird glitch at first, and now I'm like, no, it's just... I need to unplug it and plug it back in. That old reacquire trick. So here, I'll show you here. So I think it's not connecting to this bus because I can't find it here. Let me double bubble here just to make sure. But I can't seem to find it touching this Tempco point, and it doesn't say continuity here. And this is a straight shot, so there shouldn't be any reason that that's not working. Yeah, so that's my current guess. Wait, what am I doing again? No. Okay, so it's this middle ones, and this ugly looking sucker over here. It needs to go to... Oh, yeah. This Tempco. Yeah. It does not. Make sure I'm not just flipped around. Yeah, it's not making it to it, so I don't think that resistor's connected for some reason or another. So I want to, for troubleshooting purposes, I'm going to take this leg. It's going to be on this side. And I'm going to run a wire to this leg here. So from here to here. Nice hop, skip, and a jump. And then we'll see if that fixes it. I don't know. I hope so. Alright. I probably made this a little too short, but whatever. It's on! And then I'm gonna put it... Oh, I guess I should make it shorter. Yeah. Let's just do a good job, because this may have to live here. This may be a permanent solution. Where's those little guys? There you go, you little bugger. Alright. That is the tweezers. Come on, get on there, you little silly guy. It's not a big deal. Alright. So, I know it's silly, but let me see now if those two pins beep. I know it should, because I did a pretty good job, right? Oh, look at that. Let's flip this around the other way. So now, if I come into here, and I come into here, that's what I'm expecting. And this is a 51K. Alright. Let's pull that. Let's get that scope up. Let me shrink me. And we'll run the power in here. Going hot. There's that sweetness. Let's see if it works. Turning that knob. Aww. Still nothing. What the hell, damn guy? Let me try just turning this yeah, that's unfortunate. I blame something. All right, so yeah, no, we should get, this is the frequency change, so it should get wider and shorter, you know, or just go way out of range, but nothing's happening when I turn this knob. I am getting voltage. Here, we'll put it on voltage again. Getting voltage here. I'm getting voltage. I'm getting very little voltage here, but it's there. Where I was, I don't know. There it goes. So there's one way. No. Maybe not. Either way. And then when it gets to this guy, it's just... Here, let me try AC. I wonder if I'm just measuring from the wrong... No. Let me try this too. No. So, I guess the next thing to do would be to put one of the working ones up and start doing some comparisons, I guess, because Ugh. Weird. Let me tinker with this just to make sure this isn't some sort of gate or something. No, it does affect the saw waveform though. That's interesting. But it does not do anything I want. Okay. So I need to... Gotta figure out a way to mark these a little bit different. We'll just do mini-me for now. It's not that big of a deal that I be proper sized. Call this one. All right. So pull this power out, put it on here. Go ahead and do this wire thing too on here just so we can have some... Oh, did I rip that thing off? I did. We'll have something to kind of verify that it is... Well, it's the easiest way to see that it's working without listening to... And it's like at 3K or something really high, so it'll hurt. You'll feel it in your teeth. You'll feel it in your feelings. So I got that held in there. Oh, I put it on triangle, didn't I? I didn't want that. I want saw. Saw, y'all. Like the dude with the mask. You know, Jason. All right. Missing something here. Nope, nope, I'm not. Right. Let me pull this screen up so I can look at it. All right, powering up. Turn the speed up here so we get a nice. So yeah. Oops. Did it come loose? Okay. Use some force here. So yeah, that's what should be happening. Night is I turn this knob and this should flex. I'm not having that happen on the other one. It's telling me that that knob's not working. Now, I'm curious what's different here. So I'll start with pin 1 and we'll just see if that's like a crazy different voltage or something. No, it's basically the same. It goes up to about 9 or 10. And then let's check on this side of the... It should be about the same. Oops. Yeah, it does about the same. 7 and... So, at pin 2... Ooh. Yeah, I get a significant difference. Okay. So... So the next culprit has to be in here. Could be this 1 nano, which I identified. And then one leg of it touches 1. What does 1 look like on this thing? Let's see what that's like. Interesting. So 1 has a static voltage of 0.860 milliamps. I don't think I was getting anything like that on pin 1. So we may have something, it may be something else. It might actually be... So let's check a couple of these spots on our busted board here. Let's see if pin 1, we already found this, C2, so it also has to touch this base for the for this transistor. And then there's a 68K here, R13, which I believe actually is the one I falsely identified earlier. I'll have to look. I think or maybe that was 33 or something. It had a 3 in there. Yeah, it was 39. Never mind. Forget all about that. That was Buckus. But it's somewhere in there. So there's a possibility that this isn't getting the voltage, and it's not giving it what she wants, Captain. Actually, I'm kind of leaning that way now. We'll see. But all this is fine. We put that kludge in, so that definitely works. It wasn't showing up, but that oddly wasn't the problem. Which is, I don't know if that's indicative of anything. It can't be because it's a straight shot. There's this is the only thing that touches it. It's fine. We'll check this. C2. But yeah, so C2, one leg is going to touch 1, one leg is going to touch pin 2. And then let's try to find Q1, which I think is actually readable maybe on this board. Oh, maybe. And then R13. All right. Let me there we go. Oh. I guess I bumped my camera or something earlier. So I see my That's why I got shut down. Okay, so let's kill the power to this for right now, and we're gonna move it out of the way. Let me get the negativity. So I want to find these other resistors here, or this cap. So let's do the cap first. So this is C2. If I remember right, this top pin here is going to be 2. Oops. And then this bottom pin is going to be 1. 1 is what we're interested in. So next, I want to find Q1. I believe this is Q1. Let's see if 1 connects to the base on this. I don't know if I can get my probe in here. It does. Is it supposed to go to both though? Here, let me do this. So here's Uno. Oh, I got the little nipple on. So here's Uno and Yahtzee. Boggle. So it doesn't... Okay, so it makes it to that transistor, so now we just need to find R13, which is 68, which I believe is this one right here. So let's see, this is going to be 1. It's not this side. Is it this side? So it is. All right, so R13 on this side, we should have a voltage when we power it. So let's pull this off. Put this on, double check I got it right. Easy enough to destroy your entire life. Nah, just create a lot of headache, really. I don't think anyone will die. All right. Yeah, I don't know how, man. It's amazing. All right, I want to see if there's positive power on this 68 here. I don't need this little guy here. I do need it here, though. And I need this switch to voltage. It's French. Going hot. Okay. So here's this side. So it does show a little bit of voltage. Oh. Oh yeah, because I'm on the wrong one. Oh, this does show a little bit. It's higher than the other one. It's at 900 or... Yeah. What's this side look like? Oh, so it's got to be, so it's 11 volts. Could it be, okay, I'm sorry guys. Could it be, could it be Q2? Could my transistors not be transisting? That's usually how you do it. Wonder if anything's making it to 3, pin 3 here. No. So let's troubleshoot. Let's troubleshoot these. This all looks legit. This all seems fine, but it's still not behaving right. Like, this is a little high, but I expect some differences. Let me make sure I didn't do something dumb like put the wrong transistors in here. I mean, that's well within my power. I must remove my eyewear. Here, I'll get you the. So this one says 560. This one says 5, 6, and 0. So I got them both in the right way. I guess I should check if their continuity, that they're connecting correctly to each other. There's so they share their collectors. I guess that's where I was getting at. That's where that word came from. And then all right. Okay. So Q2's base needs needs to go to power. It will show up on. Actually, it doesn't say that on this. It just goes off into the air. Or no, not the. Well, the emitter does, which I don't know what that's about. Why am I not using these? I pulled it out too. All right. So let me see. This is going to be. God bloody hell. Okay. And then the two collectors. I might need the other. Well, I can maybe. It doesn't really tell you, does it? Okay, so it's not this side. Maybe it's this side. I have to get that other probe. All right. Okay, so those connect. And so Q1, this should go to 3. Huh. I'm not inclined to think my transistors are bad. I don't quite get what this means. Where does this go? Does it show back up somewhere else in this schematic that I'm missing? Because I don't see any references off, you know, at first glance. Yeah, that's really weird. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. I guess I could check where it goes to. So that's Q2, that's this guy. I think we already... Let's fly back real fast. Let me just look. So this side is going to be the one that goes off into... Could be a power one. Doesn't come up on any power. No, I don't know. It'd be weird if it just didn't go anywhere. I don't think that's how transistors work. Oh no, I ripped that thing up. Well, it didn't really help us. But it, well, actually it might have. Let me get my little tweezers. Oh. Probably should put a little bit of solder on there. Just a little bit. You know what? Actually, stand by. Let me check to make sure this is the same behavior before I do that, because it may be just some weird design difference. I don't know how I was going to do that way. That would have been rude. Nope, that is definitely what it's supposed to do, and it doesn't here. So, let me get my tweezers. Okay, that's snottered in there better. Let me give this a little touch of love. Good enough. Good enough. All right. So, let me check a couple of other continuity things here, because okay, so now that whole, yeah, well, whatever. Okay. So I've got it connected to the bus. It makes it to 2. I guess I could see how pins, like on the working one, how pins 3 and 13 behave, and also maybe look at how these work Man, this is frustrating though. I wonder... No, because we've already found some solder problems here. I'm wondering, like, if swapping the ICs would work. Or would tell us anything. I don't feel like it would. I don't think the problem is the IC. I think it's the, it's somewhere in the solder in the board somewhere. But, oh my gosh, it's getting to me. It's making me crazy. Just raise this leg in the air. Look at your dog. Are you? Oh wait, is that a dog or a kitty? You know, I'm gonna make him. Wait. Uh-oh. Now it's gonna jack up my whole thing. Oh, I don't want to lose it though. How did it get the resolution wrong? Alright, well, it just got the... Oh wow, that's some lag, bro. There we go. Yeah, oh, I see it screwed it up there. Oh well, who cares? Not enough. I do care about this. Man. Kind of getting tired of working on this thing. Tell you what, let me do this. Let me get some research. I just want to see what's up with this working one, and see what I get, and then I know, because I saw what I got on those, so I kind of haven't. I want to see what happens on, that's right, pin 3 and 13. But yeah, I am honestly running out of a little bit of gas on this, because it's just like, ugh. It's just so monotonous troubleshooting. It's meganomous. Meganomous.
Music to make babies too. It's baby making music.
I hope I plugged that in right. I didn't double bubble. Alright. Apparently so. So, voltage activate. Let's see, pin uno. Oh wait, we're in. It's cool that you can hear it pulsing. Oh yeah, pin 1 is stable, but pin 2 should kind of change. Yeah, it does. So pin 3 changes as well. Not by much, but it's significant. And then the other one was 13. So that's going to be the next to last one here. Okay, and yeah, it's of course receiving the same thing. So let me see if this one's doing that. I'm not even going to bother connecting the audio up or the output up. I just want to see what's happening inside. Okay. Powering up. Going hot. Alright. So pin 1 is 9. Pin 2. That doesn't seem to work anymore. Oh, that was a cool sound, right? Oh, weird. Pin 2 is... Am I getting power? Says 11. Says 11. Wait, was that positive or negative? Okay. Okay, there's the fluctuation. Here's that guy. There it is. It's fluctuating. It's gonna be really weak on this side. Damn, I don't see it at all. You go down to millivolts. Yeah, it's just static. Huh. It doesn't really move. It's really weird. And there's this this guy here. Oops. Yeah, that's static. Huh. Am I possibly on the wrong resistor? No. These are in line with that. So yeah, no, I got it right. Huh. I don't know. You know what? I think I'm just gonna wrap up the stream for the day. This has been a really great day. We had like we streamed for like, what time is it now? Almost 6 hours. That's, I know that's not Nightworks level, and I strive for that. I'm gonna get there someday. It's kind of like, you know, jogging and whatnot. You don't want to do it all at once. You're gonna take your time. Let's see. Oh, I missed that raid follow from Mozzie earlier. Maybe it was when the stream started. Yeah, I don't know what's up with this. This is kind of messing with me. And I kind of want to break, and our other option is just to start a new project. So tomorrow, I want to finish something. I didn't know if we'd get how far we'd get with this, so I went ahead and just made it the first project. But we do have the Cucamonga, as well as the TKB, to finish up tomorrow. I don't know about the TKB per se, but the Cucamonga can definitely, as long as I'm right about what's broke, it should work. No need. Just be you. I forgot what I was saying that that's in reference to. I'm so out of it, mate. No, oh man. Let me see, pardon me. I'm a little bit sleepy. Here, let me drink some juice of Safu. I thought I was being me, actually.
Except when I'm not, then I'm somebody else. And it's all weird. And then we go to the birthday party. And then we get the clown. And he makes me a little clown dog. And then he takes me back and he says, "This is how you don't touch people." Oh, I shouldn't have said that. I probably shouldn't have said that.
Oh, I've been watching too much Aqua Teen.
This old boy, he come up to me and he says, "You gotta have a license." And I says, "License? Shit, I ain't even supposed to be in this country." And then he got really mad.
Lag time. Yeah, let's blame it on the lag. I appreciate that. Thank you, mate. You're a true bro. You're a true cool cat. Ah. Now we'll do tomorrow, yeah, we'll definitely get the Cucamonga working unless I'm wrong about that busted part. And that should be a quick, easy fix. Knock on wood. And then we'll check out the TKB and see if that's working. And then missed the end part where the transistor is working correctly. No, not really. Oh, here, let's do this. No, not really. I like this desktop, this background. It's cooler. No, it was starting to be really inconsistent, and I was kind of getting confused. And I'm just like, I'm just tired. I've been working on this for a while. We basically sussed out at least our first wave of problems. Hopefully the last. The fact that everything outputs is pretty much a godsend. And really everything seems to work. It's just a couple of these knobs don't seem to be working right. Literally a couple. The volts for, well, I don't know. We'll have to see if the detune is how that's related. But no, I just couldn't figure it out. Everything looks fine. Like everything's talking to each other the same way on both boards, but the voltages that each one is getting is different. So and then I also had the issue of where did I put that? No, that's not it. Where is it? I also had the issue of I forgot what I was thinking of. Yeah, see, I'm just tired. I should probably stop working on this so much. Oh, yeah, never mind. I remember. Where did it go? Where it go? Q2. I'd just love to know where the other end of this is supposed to go. It doesn't show up on any rails. So I'm curious. Let me see. There's several schematics. This is page 2. Oh, maybe that's it. Maybe it arrives on the second page. I don't see it. Wait, this is the same damn thing. Saw core? Hold up. Why are these divided? No, wait, this is saw core pulse width modulation circuit. Huh. Well, what the fuck is I don't understand. Why is there 4 schematics that are look super similar? Well, this doesn't. This is the driver board. Wait. So, is there a schematic for... Yeah, that's what's going on. Okay. Yeah, none of them tell you where Q, where that Q goes. It just flies off into the air on all of them. So I don't know. That may be a bad move on my part or something. I don't know. But yeah. Let's wrap it up for the day. I wanna see if we can raid somebody. If there's anybody on. It's a boring Wednesday. Nothing exciting going on. They all hang like that weird. Yeah, I think it's literally a schematic for each board. And the green one references the transistors differently, but this one it's just a copy paste, so Q2 is the same on all of them. I think is how it is. I'm not sure. Let's see. Oh yay. This is someone I just started following. Silvagnen. I think I met him them this weekend, or recently. I follow them. I was thinking we should raid, give a raid over there, because that looks like something. Looks like interesting. Looks pretty damn interesting, actually. Yeah, let's do that. Let's go ahead and we'll raid Sylvanyan. Thanks everybody for hanging out today. I really appreciate it. We had a really awesome day. Thanks Cat and Cog too if you're still in the chat. Dude, all those gifted subs. Everybody really appreciates that. That's really kind of you. Really cool. Thanks for all the new follows. It's Mia Flo. I keep reading that wrong. MDJ Washer. Spirit Fingers. Oh, and then that was earlier. Yeah, thanks so much, guys, for the follows. Thanks for everybody hanging out. For tomorrow, like I said, we'll go ahead and we'll knock out the Cucamonga so we can have a win and feel good inside instead of sad. We'll check out the TKB, see if that one part fixes it all, or if there's going to be some more work. And if so, we might just come back and work on this We'll decide if we want to keep working on the TKB or if we want to come back to the VCOs and work on that. We'll kind of just feel it out depending on how much time we get at the end. But yeah, guys, it was an awesome day. Super chill. Love to talk gear and make nicer. Yeah, absolutely, mate. Absolutely. And that's what the channel's about, is just chilling out, talking shop, and working on stuff, trying to fix stuff, trying to figure things out, and just chilling. Yeah. Thanks again, Cat and Cog. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and get that raid on here.